Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn Temu using TikTok. So the first is open your Temu app, and then after that, just go to search bar and then search affiliate. After that, since you are in the affiliate section already, just scroll down and then find this share button, the $100. All right, just click the $100 coupon bundle. And after that, just hit the copy link to save image. You can also screenshot the QR. And then after that, you need to go to TikTok. Once it's open, just click the plus button or plus sign on the TikTok, the center of it, and then just hit the go to your gallery or image and then hit or choose the QR picture or photo and then click next. So after that, you need to go back to Temu app. So go back to the $100 coupon bundle again and then copy the link of that QR. So paste it on the TikTok page. And then after that, just hit post. So once you posted it, your followers will see it and they will scan the QR that you have and they will download the Timo app and you can earn it. You can earn a money through it. So there are two methods. So the second method will be go to your settings or profile, just hit the edit button, just click edit, go to your bio and then put there the link from Timo and then save it. After you save your bio, your followers will see the link from your bio and then they can click on it and download the Timo app and order from it. In that case, you will earn money by that method. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.